Just got done installing my brand new Bulletproof Hitch. This is the Extreme Duty 10-inch drop, and I did put on the sway bars, or anti-sway bars. I wanted to show you a little something I did where I installed them. I don't know if you can see underneath here. I went on the side of the trailer hitch. Initially I went on the bottom, but I found that this spot worked better. Plenty of clearance on both sides. I'll be able to get the pins out, take this off. I did purchase the locks, and they did key them the same. This is a very, very well-made hitch. Excellent reviews. Does stick out a good distance, but you want your rear end protected, and with my lift that I have on the truck, I wanted to make sure no one was going to go underneath it. If you have any questions, inbox me, but I'll be towing with it tomorrow. If I have any problems, I'll let you know.